Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, TeaTimeStyleTime. Today we have the most highly requested video reviewing the wear and tear on my Longchamp Le Pliage mini cuir. And in this box, our second requested item is the YSL Monogram clutch kit conversion. Clutch, I can't talk. So we'll start with the Longchamp. It is stuffed right now. I'm just giving you a quick view of it. So this bag has been pretty used going into this year. Here's a look at the inside. It's kind of hard to see. There is a pocket. If you have not seen my previous video, the zip pocket, and another pocket on this side that does fit a full-size iPhone. I have the iPhone 11. Okay, now this leather is very supple. I'll put the measurements on the screen as well. In overall wear and tear, there has been some color transfer. This is a very light bag. If you can see here, looking at the bottom, there's no feet. There's also another spot I know where it's right here. I did accidentally catch the bag, so it just does nick pretty easily. In this lighting it's harder to see. I would say here is where I had some color transfer. I did use some a damp cloth and I would say leather wipe. Handles are in good shape. Looking at the strap, I'll go ahead and disconnect it here. The hardware is still in good condition. There was a spot on here. I can't tell where exactly in this lighting, but I think it was here where there was a little bit of color transfer. I'll go ahead and put this back on the bag. So I would say if you're looking to get a bag like this, if you are worried about color transfer, go for a darker color. The leather is amazing and this does fit quite a bit. I'm very impressed with this bag. I would like to order it in another color in the future. I will do another what's in my bag update sometime soon. I would say if you're using hand sanitizer, it's not good for this leather. However, with that being said, it can tolerate it. You just have to be careful. There was a little bit of a glazing issue. I don't know if you guys can see it on the side here. But Longchamp does, if you send it in, I think you just pay for shipping. They will repair it for free. So let's go ahead and look at the next bag. This is the YSL Monogram clutch. I did buy a conversion kit for it, and I've since repurposed that to my Lady Dior bag. You can see how I repaired the structure. For this one, I still haven't ordered a conversion kit from Handbag Angels. It is on my list. I'm sorry, so you won't be able to see how the new one fits yet. This year's been a little expensive with, well, just everything that's come up. So this is very, very durable leather. Here's a look at the inside. This does still retail for $725 US. The price has not gone up yet. There's a pocket back here. And it's very simple in design. I don't know if you can see it. There's a YSL serial number and everything there. When you do order it, I bought mine from my Teresa. It does come with a dust bag, the authenticity card, and this is the style code code. I think it's reversed, so I apologize. You do get a little thank you note, which I think is very thoughtful. Okay, so let's talk clutch. This has been one of my best investments of this year. I will also put the measurements on it. It is very simple in design. Just looks like this. I do have the chain. I will, when I order the kit, probably the first week of this new year, I will make sure I do another video on it. This in here, I usually just throw in my phone, card holder, maybe a mask, and car keys. It does fit quite a bit. In terms of any issues, it's black, so no worry about color transfer. There's a little bit of a glazing issue. I don't know if you can see it. The camera doesn't want to focus. Let me see if I can find it on the other side too. This side's not too bad, but just a little bit of corner wear there. And again, this is one of my most used bags. It's not babied at all. The leather does get stretched out if you have a lot of items to put in, but it's very good about, you know, holding its shape. So no scratches. Hardware, if you can tell, doesn't really have any scratches. So I am very happy with it. This does have Saint Laurent on the little button. Inside, still really clean. It smells like leather. Amazing. But that's pretty much it for wear and tear. I have not had any issues other than that one little spot. Saint Laurent, I believe, does do repairs as well, but honestly, I don't think it needs a repair. I usually store this inside of the dust bag. I would say if you're going to use it as a wallet on chain, I would go through Handbag Angels. Here's my second attempt at the style code. I don't know if it'll focus. There we go. My Longchamp, I do usually store inside the Longchamp bag as well. I would always make sure it's stuffed in order for it to retain its shape. It is a very squishy bag. You know, I haven't really seen any inserts for this, but I will reach out to Handbag Angels and see if they have it. I'll leave their information on the description link below. And if you have any questions, I'll see you guys next time.